I'm gonna go see if, gonna go check on the rest of the crew. I feel rain coming. If you're just joining, we're in Nova Scotia, Canada. We're in the Annapolis Valley, and that's Oscar. Oscar's my pet steer. Oscar's been with us since he was 2 days old, and he's now 4.5. He'll be 5 years old next February. I see what you mean by being appreciative of Oscar's size and what he could do. Yeah, you have to. He's a lovely boy, and he's never ever been mean but animals are reactive, and I've seen what he can do in a playful mood. Look at him looking at me. And if he thought he wanted to put me up in that tree, he could do it. I know Oscar. How long do steers live? Hi, Oscar. Are you coming to say hello? How long can steers live? About 20 years. 20 years. I love you. Why are you getting so close? Why are you getting like right in my face? Whoops. What are you doing? What are you doing? Maybe he wants me to scratch him here. You're all oily and look at your ear has. You just want me to pet you? Is that all you want, is some company, Oscar? This is his view. Yeah, I have a curly comb for him. It's up at the barn. And he loves it. I just didn't bring it down with him. It would have been so nice to have brought that brush. I have to go get the brush for him. No grass. We live in Canada. We only have grass about 5 months of the year. And Oscar has to eat hay. Like, what do you mean? No, look where he lives. He's trying to come up between this tree. Oscar, this is what bugs me about people. No grass. How do you know that Oscar doesn't have any grass? He has 12 acres. I don't understand how someone can come on here, see that I'm a farm sanctuary, and then say he has no grass. There's a whole pasture. Whoops, now I've stepped in a ditch. Okay, I'm going to stop now. I'm going to stop. Shall I just stop? Let it go. Let it go. People don't understand what animals eat. That's what it is. Don't let it bother me. Don't let it bother me. He's upset too. Oscar's upset. Thank you for the rose. Sometimes I just think to myself, Shelley, why do you come out here? Why do you even go live? Just leave the goddamn phone in the house. Don't go on TikTok. Just come out, be with your animals. And why put up with people being mean? Like, why do I do this? Why do I do this? Because some days, there's really, really nice people in here. There are people that I'm like, where have you been all my life? Where's my friend Mike in the basement in Toronto? Thanks, guys. It just takes one comment for me to just feel off kiltered and like judged and mortified. And I had somebody say that Oscar's nails needed to be trimmed. See his nails? So I hired a guy who has oxen who's been training them for 50 years. He drives out with his truck, coming to pick Oscar up to take him to trim his nails, because somebody said on the internet, that cow needs his nails trimmed. The guy got here and he's like, he does not need his nails trimmed. They're perfect, especially for this terrain where he's stepping on rocks and he's got soft places. And so I just stopped listening to people on the internet. You love my personality? Which one? Have you seen them all? Anyways, if you are just joining me, this is our little farm sanctuary in Nova Scotia, Canada, where all the animals that you'll see, including my beautiful Oscar, live with me forever. We don't breed or sell or process any of the animals. I do have a good heart. I ain't gonna argue with that. I have a huge, huge heart. My joy absolutely comes from feeling other people having joy. So there's nothing more that I feel so much joy when I have families or groups or schools come and visit the farm, and I take them on a tour and I introduce them to all the animals. That is... Hi, Pee-wee. Hi, Pee-wee. Hi. Did you come to find me? Yeah? Hello. Hello. Hello, Pee-wee. Hey, do you like this? Ouch, don't get my... Put his claws in me. Oh, the one thing that I want to show you about Oscar, sometimes people will say he would make good steak. If you look at Oscar from behind, he has like the skinniest, boniest ass. He's got a huge gut, but he's got an ass like a 1980s rock star. So he's not good for meat. Just to make that clear. He's fat, but in all the wrong places. Actually, he's healthy. He's healthier in places where he doesn't need to be as healthy or something like that. Okay, let's go pick on a pig. You know what? Let's go pick on a pig. I want to prove a point here. Oscar is prego. Could you imagine? I'd win the internet. Hello, Pickles. Hi, Puddles. You have nothing to prove. Oh no, I want to prove something. This is funny. It's funny proof. You know how people say, like we kind of refer to sheep as being sheepish, right? Nothing sheepish about this one. Lovely. Come here, I'm talking about you. I want to show how smart you are. Would you like to? Hates her ears touched. Don't let people, nobody's going to change me. Oh, that's too late for that, honey. I'm not. Mark, that's where I sit. Rude. Please don't pick on Shelly. She is very good to us. We live our best lives here. Don't be an asshole. Yeah, that was... Watch this. Okay. So in here, we have to lock this up because the hay is in there. Now let's see if Lovely what's going on here. I have no idea. All the animals get along in perfect sense of harmony. Oh, I don't even, nobody's being mean. Somebody just said that Oscar had no grass. And I got upset. They said Oscar has no grass. I think they left. This is what goes on when I'm not here. Look at him. You want to sit on Ma's lap? Okay. You want to sit in my lap? Lovely. Milo. What are you doing? What are you doing? You love me? She goes around and tries to open up doors. What are you doing? That is my shirt. What are you doing? It's my shirt. Watch her, watch. Watch this con artist. Tap your screen. Tap your screen. Ready for this? Watch this magic. This sheep is so smart. Watch her. It's completely locked, bolted down. I think she's trying to lock it. She will open that when I'm not looking. Oh, let's go see the chickens. Everybody's eating. Hi, Oscar. Do you like horses? Do you like horses? Lovely. Lovely. Do you want to... Oh. Are you coming? Are you coming out? Whoa. I don't think you're allowed out here. I don't know. I don't know if Papa said you're allowed out here. I don't think you guys are allowed out here. I'm thinking you're not allowed out here, guys. No. I don't know, I don't know if they're allowed out here. I'll just pretend they got out. I don't know if they're allowed out. Well, I know. Don't know how it works. How's everybody? Hi. Hi, baby. This little boy is River. River is just 5.5 months old. And this is Titus. Titus is 21 years old. And so little River is only going to be living with us until the spring. He's just here so that he can learn good manners from this big old horse. And just get... I don't know what you call it. It's when you want to desensitize a horse so it's not scared of everything. So he's around all the other animals. What kind of hay do you all feed? There, north. This is horse hay. This is from First Cut this year, and we get the hay from the same farm where Oscar was born. So there's some good And then we supplement. He has juvenile food. He has senior food. Then we have grains. And then they get apples and carrots. And, you take good care of them. I'd give them whatever they need, they get. What are you finding out here? They're finding something they like. Well, we're very lucky because we're hooked up. Like even the food shelters, if vegetables or fruit go bad, they bring them out here. We're hooked up with one of our grocery stores. Whoops, I touched the fence. Oh, well, I don't think it. And then we have our neighbors. We have people that'll leave a bag on the porch with, their old apple peelings. And then the seasons are always changing. So the next season, pumpkins. Well, last year we got over 100. We got a half a truckload of pumpkins delivered for the animals. And Oscar will eat 3 pumpkins a day. So it's really, really awesome. We feel, who's coming? Chick, 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 chick. Come on. Come on. I don't want to get in trouble. Chick, 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 chick. Are you coming? Come on, I'll give you a snack. But you gotta come. Mark! Do you want a treat? Okay, nobody's coming. Nobody's coming. They're like children. I gotta get the treat snack. Got them all. Chickens are even coming. We've had a lot of rain. Hi, Audrey. Okay, that's rude. Let's go outside. They're always hungry. They love this corn because it's crunchy and it's like this delicious snack for them. Thank you for all the likes, friends. If you are enjoying my live, you can tap the screen and then it tells other people to watch us. Thank you for the roses, Marianne. Let's go see if we can find some eggs. Even the chickens are eating the corn. You gotta spoil it. You spoiled it. Why you spoil it for the chickens? Milo! Why you spoil it? They were all having a treat. I think someone laid an egg. Oh, it's Carol Channing. I have treats for them. Somebody sent us corn pops. The chickens, I'm gonna put them in my pocket, love corn pops. Gloria! Gloria! Yesterday you wanted these. Yesterday you were in love with me for them. Gloria, did you lay any eggs? Oh, there's some eggs. Oh, you're laying an egg? What color? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, eggs. Thank you, girls. So I got 4 eggs out of 16 chickens. Oh, whoops. Whoops. I got 3 eggs. I got 3 eggs. Whoops. I think I just killed a baby. Whoops. 3 eggs. Oh well. Whoops-a-daisy. Might as well go feed them to the pigs. And then there were 3, right, Woodstock? Shelley. Audrey! 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 Green eggs and ham. When we had a school trip here, one of the kids fed Oscar an egg. It was just a small child, and she just shoved an egg in Oscar's mouth. He was so offended. He was trying to spit the shell out because he's basically like a vegan. Oscar's a full-out vegan, and some kid stuck an egg in his mouth. Molly B! Molly! Molly! She's nothing to do with me. Milo's chasing what's left of the... Who is Oscar? Oscar's our pet steer. He's a 1,500-pound, bull. It's raining. I'm coming inside. So now I have to tell Jason I got 1 egg. Just 1 egg from the birds. We have 16 layers, and we got one egg. Got one egg, hon. That's Grant, Matilda, Rita, Fluffaroo. Hi, Mindy. Hi, babe. What's the cow's name? His name is Oscar. Let's go give him a treat. It's raining though. I'm getting rained on. Are you in here because it's raining? Smart. Oscar! Oscar! No, Mork, you're too heavy. There. I'm getting rained on, guys. It's raining. Come on. It's raining. Go in the house. Okay. Okay. Folks, look at my outfit. Look at my outfit. Climbers. Before we go, Pickles and I are working on a traveling show just to supplement our income, because it is very expensive to look after all of these animals. We don't breed or sell or process. They live with us forever. And so Pickles and I, you ready, Pickles? It's the Pickles and Shelly show, and we'll start today. It's the, don't hit him. You ready? Okay, let's go. It's the Pickles and Shelly show. Pickles! Pickles, this way. No, this way, on the pig's roof. Down the rail. In my hand. Yay! It's the Pickles and Shelly show. We're just waiting on the music release. Taylor Swift has not answered back to my many DMs. Thank you, Lori. Come on, Pickles. Pickles, come on. Come on, Pickles. Part 2, come on. Pickles, come. No, you have to go up there and then go on there. It's the Pickles and Shelly show. Pickles, come on. Pickles. This part's a little bit, we're still working on this part with the choreographing. It's not okay, it's not going. Pickles! It's the Pickles and, there. Come on, Pickles. Up on the roof. Up, yep. Over this way. Okay, that's not bad. Mork's our road manager. But he's unreliable. He has a substance abuse problem, and it is what it is. We signed a contract that we can't get out of, and it is what it is. So we're pivoting. We're pivoting is what we're doing. It's, you know what it is, If they say never work with animals or children, Mork seems to be both. He seems to be both a child and an animal. Hello. All right, folks, if you enjoyed my midlife crisis, please follow me. I come out here a couple of times a day. Tickets are only $5. No, I'm going to lower them, Shirley. I got to keep in with the price of, like, front row tickets are $5.99. Thanks, Debbie. Thanks, everyone. People like us. Yeah, they like visiting us. Thanks, friends. Aw, thanks, John. I really enjoy your company because I am a bit of a recluse. I don't leave here. I just kind of like spend all my days with my animals, and then I have a bed and breakfast. So I'm like one of those quirky ladies where it's like, come on in. Do you need any extra pillows? Are you okay with the milk, or do you need the soy milk in the morning? I'm like that person. I think everyone's ready for a nap here. Everybody's going to have a little nap. Bye for now, friends. There's just so many people here. There's so many people here right now. 424 people. I love the attention. Okay, bye. Everybody's like, see ya, go, bye, bye.
Watch. Vemos uma eventual falta de PP em ter dominado a bola com o braço, coisa que não foi assinalada. David Carmo. Não me pareceu que tenha dominado com o braço já agora. Fábio Cardoso. Bola com Diogo Costa. David Carmo de pé esquerdo vai colocar a bola em Fábio Cardoso. Fábio Cardoso de pé direito vira tudo à esquerda.